Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Adam Shelton, Achieving with Adam, and let's achieve something today. And I'm going to teach you and show you how you can start your own online business and make that income right from home, from your laptop, from the beach, from vacation, anywhere. This program here can make you money online while you sleep. How does that sound? And you can keep your job, or if you don't have a job, or you're already an existing business owner, you can get started by clicking on the link below to get started. But I'm going to go ahead and show you some information about this great program. So let's get started. Okay, when you click on the link below to get started, you'll go ahead and get started from this page, the login members area. So you'll go ahead and have a username and of course a password to get into this program called the Super Affiliate Network. Now this program is awesome mainly because it has good coaching, good mentorship, it has a good community around it, and it's there to help you start your online business and achieve at a very successful rate. So when you go ahead and log in right here, and don't forget, the coaches are awesome. They're there for every step of the way. Even if you're new or an existing business owner, they are there to help you. So the Profit Boosting Bootcamp is the first thing you'll do when you log in. Remember, the coaches will go ahead and tell you that information. Click on the link below here if you want to get started right now. Now, the Profit Boosting Bootcamp is designed for you to start your online business. It's more likely if you're new, this is a good boot camp because it's very detailed and it starts from the beginning to the end. Now, the first module you'll have, of course, is called Module 1. So let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and click on that. Now, Module 1 is more like the foundation set of your online business. The strategy overview, strategy versus tactics, how to lay the correct foundation. It's so important to know the knowledge and the information to know how to do it correctly. And this module is probably one of the most important modules of this whole program. Remember, it's 16 modules. Let me go ahead and go here. And the first video here is about the creator and the owner of the Super Affiliate Network. He will basically congratulate you from opting into this great program, and he's hoping you will have great success with the program. His main object is to follow the steps. If you follow the steps of this program, you will be successful. You have a chance for having good success. Now, the first module of this great program is to strategy versus tactics, how to lay the correct foundation. Now, it's about 42 minutes long, but it's worth 42 minutes because it breaks it completely down. Now, it's so important to have a foundation because you just want to know where to start. You want to know from the beginning of the activities and the steps you need to take, and this will do the trick. So click on the link below to get started and have that opportunity of the freedom. Your own online business, that starts freedom. When you're an owner, a business owner, that's the beginning of true freedom. Click on the link below to get started because it's time. 2019 is your year to be successful. It's your year to make that type of money online that you always wanted to have. Click on the link below and I'll see you on the inside.